Hi, WokMon Nation. I'm so happy that you got your WokMon and you're going to be getting your Wok Hay real soon. Now, we're going to start with the installation of your WokMon. And first, you open up your kit and you pull out your focus ring. Doesn't matter if it's a small, medium, large, you just place it under your stove grate, like that. Now, there may be some instances where your grate is a little too low and there's not enough clearance, and there's a hack. So this hack that I have is you use 4 nuts of various thicknesses and you place on the 4 corners, and as long as you have enough clearance, that's all you really need. Now, there's another hack, is you can go to Home Depot and get 4 household magnets and put it also on the 4 corners, and that will work. Now, since you have that clearance, we're going to go to option 1, and you get out your wok stand. And the wok stand comes with the option 1 with the 4 stubby legs that come like this. And you turn your wok stand upside down, and you place the edge right by the tracks, and then you have this locking clip, and you lock it in place. And then you place it over your stove and centered with your focus ring. Now, that's option 1. Now, we have option 2, which comes with the long legs with 8 high temperature silicone suction cups. And you fit the suction cups onto the ends of the legs into these little slits, and you slide it in place. And then you take your grate off, because this is option 2, and you adjust the configuration of your stove, and you adjust that, and you place it on top, and is centered, and then you lock it in place by pushing down on the suction cups. And that's option 2. And that's how you install your WokMon. So go and start walking. Bye.